Machine learning is shaping our world with its ability to analyze large sets of data and extract valuable information for professionals in all industries. It can help diagnose and predict disease progression, contribute to fraud detection and prevention, and inform decision-making for business owners, healthcare providers, and financial planners. If you've thought, I'd love to learn this, but where do I begin? You are in the right place. In this video, I'll share a clear step-by-step roadmap to becoming a machine learning professional. You'll see exactly what to learn, in what order, and how much time to spend at each stage so you can build confidence and momentum. Machine learning is one of the most in-demand skills today. It powers streaming services recommendations, medical imaging, supply chain logistics, self-driving cars, and the list goes on. Companies are searching for people who can bridge theory and practice. Getting started on this career path involves 5 stepping stones that you can take at your own pace. Learning fundamental skills, understanding core machine learning concepts, becoming familiar with tools and frameworks, choosing a specialization, creating portfolio projects. I'll walk you through each stage so you know exactly what's next and how each stage can help you build job-ready skills in machine learning. Phase 1, build the fundamentals. Every journey starts with a foundation. For machine learning, focus on 3 things. Math basics. Get familiar with linear algebra for matrices, probability for predictions, and statistics for understanding patterns. Try connecting what you learn with creative data problems like calculating averages or exploring patterns in everyday things. Programming skills. Python is your best friend. Start with syntax, then learn libraries like NumPy for math, pandas for data, and matplotlib for visualizations. There's no need to be a coding expert, just focus on problem solving and playing with code a bit each day. Data literacy. Machine learning is only as good as the data it's built on. Learn how to clean messy data sets, deal with missing values, and explore data with charts. For a test project, pick a simple data set like Titanic survival data and practice exploring and cleaning it. Phase 2, explore core machine learning concepts. Once you're grounded, you're ready to understand how machines actually learn. This includes learning the 5 main types of machine learning. Supervised learning uses labeled data to train algorithms to classify data or predict outcomes. Unsupervised learning uses data that has not been labeled to identify patterns or structure in the data, such as grouping similar items together, clustering, or reducing the number of variables, dimensionality reduction. Semi-supervised learning combines a small amount of labeled data with a large amount of unlabeled data to improve learning accuracy when labeling is expensive or time-sensitive. Reinforcement learning involves learning to make sequences of decisions by receiving feedback via rewards or penalties. Self-supervised learning generates labels from the data itself instead of relying on external human-provided labels. While you're in this stage, try your next project by building a model that predicts house prices or detect spam emails. Seeing your first model make predictions is a game changer. It proves you're making progress. Phase 3, tools and frameworks. Now that you understand concepts, let's bring in the tools. Scikit-learn is a powerful library for building classic models like linear regression, logistic regression, decision trees, and clustering. Get into TensorFlow or PyTorch for deep learning. Pick one and stick with it. You don't need both at first. Use Jupyter Lab or Google Colab for experimentation. These make it easy to test and share code. Matplotlib and Seaborn help you tell stories with data. Think of these as your professional toolkit. You'll use them in projects, interviews, and in real jobs. The goal here is to get hands-on experience and understand how these different models actually work. For your next project, try recreating an online tutorial step by step. It builds muscle memory with these frameworks. Phase 4, specialization and advanced topics. Machine learning is huge. So once you've mastered the basics, choose a path that excites you. Some different topics include computer vision, which involves self-driving cars, medical imaging, and facial recognition. Natural language processing, which works with chatbots, sentiment analysis, and translation. Reinforcement learning, which is all about robotics, game AI, and decision-making systems. You might also niche into deep learning, large language models, or generative AI. Choose just one specialization at first. Depth is more valuable than trying to learn everything all at once. Phase 5, projects, portfolio, and career prep. Finally, it's time to showcase what you've learned. Portfolio projects. Start small, then expand. Build a recommender system, sentiment analysis tool, or image classifier. Collaboration. Join Kaggle competitions, or contribute to GitHub projects. Employers love to see teamwork. Career prep. Consider certifications or advanced courses on Coursera. Aim for 3 or 4 solid projects you can talk about confidently. These will become the centerpiece of your resume and interviews. Now you have a complete machine learning roadmap, from fundamentals to specialized projects. Focus on steady progress. Even dedicating an hour a day can put you way ahead in a year. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Where are you right now in your machine learning journey? Are you just starting with Python? Are you already experimenting with deep learning? Drop a comment below. I'd love to know. And if you found this roadmap helpful, subscribe for more career roadmaps and deeper dives into AI and data science.